So we were doing parametric differentiation in the last session. We'll continue with the same. So good evening to all. Yeah. So let's do the question. dy by dx is equal to, find dy by dx. Okay, the question is find dy by dx. If x is equal to a cos theta, or else it would be, yeah, x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to theta into 1 plus sine theta. Okay, so first thing is here we got three variables, correct? In solutions, what are the three variables? X, y, and theta. So first thing you have to find what? Dx by d theta. Dx by d theta. So a is constant, cos theta is what? Minus sine theta. Next thing is what? dy by d theta. Correct? So this either I can do it as UV rule. UV rule. So if I take it as UV rule, first is what? Theta, I'll keep it as u dash v plus uv dash. So differentiation of theta with respect to theta is what? 1. Correct? Then write the v term just like that. 1 plus sine theta. Plus, next we keep it theta just like that. 1 is what? 0. Differentiation of 1 is what? 0 plus sine theta is cos theta. So what is this? 1 plus sine theta plus theta cos theta. Because 0 plus cos theta is what? Cos theta itself. Now what is my dy by d theta? dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. This is equal to what? What is my dy by d theta? 1 plus sine theta plus theta cos theta by minus a sine theta. That's all. No need to further simplify. And guys, if you have looked at one thing, whenever I'm differentiating either UV rule or anything, okay, I don't write any d by dx term or d by d theta term in this. Okay, so you should also follow the same pattern because it will help you out actually. If you ignore the d by d theta, okay, we are saving time as well as for entrance preparation, this will help you out. Clear? So once you're done with this question, let me know. Yeah, once you're done with this, let me know. If everyone has finished this question, let me know the same. This is a simple question which I just wanted to tell you, that's all. Not all difficult one. Yeah. But the next one is very important. So later on you can do it. If you're not completed also, later on you can do that thing. Okay. Okay, the next one is very, very important. Find dy by dx. Okay. If x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3. This is our question. I'll write down each and everything in this. So what does this x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 means? From the question, what does it mean? LHS is equal to RHS. Correct? That is the meaning of this. I hope everyone agrees with the same. Now I have to get a power 2 by 3 somehow. If I am just putting x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3, I should get as what? A power 2 by 3. Correct? For that, I have to substitute some values for what? X and y. Correct? Then I should get what? A power 2 by 3. And we know one formula, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Correct? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. But suppose I am substituting, let this be what? X is equal to some sine square theta. So this I'm actually showing how we should substitute. Okay, x is equal to sine square theta, a sine square theta, and or a power 2 by 3 sine square theta, and y is equal to a cos square, a power 2 by 3 cos square theta. Then I can take it common, right? But here it is something called x power 2 by 3 is there. The basic idea in this question is there is something, this is not simply x, it is x power 2 by 3. So then if I'm substituting 2 by 3 here, will this work? No, but I need a square of this. I need a square of this. So what I will put, 2 by 3 should come. So I need not put a power 2 by 3 here. So what I can erase, now a power 2 by 3 is coming into the picture. Again, I need what? Sine square theta. So I'm just putting here as what? Sine cube theta, sine cube theta. Fine. Correct? A sine cube. If I expand this thing, I'm getting as what? A power 2 by 3 and sine 3 into 2 by 3. That is nothing but what? 3 into 2 by 3 is what? 3 and 3 will get cancelled. It is sine square theta only. Correct? Similarly, I can put here as what? In the y term, cos cube theta. Here I can put 2 by 3. For y power 2 by 3. So the benefit of this is I'm getting here as a power 2 by 3 sine square theta. Here I'll get what? A power 2 by 3 cos square theta. Now if I'm substituting these values, which values? Equation 1 and equation 2. Correct? What I will get? In this question, if I substitute now equation 1 and equation 2, what will I get? Is my question. I will get a power 2 by 3 sine square theta plus a power 2 by 3 cos square theta. So I can take a power 2 by 3 outside. I'll get what? Sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. So guys, here we only have what? Find dy by dx. We can do the traditional way also, but this is just showing you the parametric differentiation in this. That's all. Is everyone clear in this? So guys, what I want you to see, for example, if I want, I can directly put, I can tell you. So guys, is it clear? Am I audible to everyone? Am I audible to everyone? Yeah, I hope I'm not too loud, but still. See, if I want, I can actually tell you, put x is equal to a power 2 by 3 cos square theta. Correct? Y is equal to what? Sorry, x is equal to a power 2 by 3 sin square theta. Y is equal to a power 2 by 3 cos square theta. Correct? I can tell you this thing. Correct? Now, what is my, but the thing is that I want to make you understand how this is coming. Correct? So, which means I should put what value? X is equal to what? X is equal to a sine cube theta. From what we are getting from this? X is equal to what? A sine cube theta. So from this, what is my x value? X is equal to a sine cube theta. Y is equal to what? A cos cube theta. Now I can do differentiation dx by d theta. Sine cube theta is what? 3 sine square theta. And sine theta differentiation is cos theta. Similarly here in y term, y is equal to a into 3 cos square theta. And cos theta differentiation is what? Minus sine theta. Correct? This is dy by d theta. Now I can do what? Dy by dx is equal to what? A into 3 cos square theta into minus sine theta by a into 3 sine square theta into cos theta. Now I can cancel these terms. 3 and 3, a and a, sine and one sine will get cancelled, cos and one cos will get cancelled. So what is the answer of this? So what is my dy by dx answer in this? Minus cos theta by sine theta. That is nothing but what? Minus cot theta. Clear? Yes. Minus cos theta by sine theta. That is nothing but what? Minus cot theta. Suppose if I take x is equal to a cos cube theta, and if I take y is equal to a sine cube theta, then what will be my answer? Then my answer will be what? If this is the second case is taken, this is for the first case. First case, this will be the answer. If I'm taking like this ulta, the answer may be minus tan theta. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. And what is my theta in this? Tan theta, minus tan theta or cot theta. Is everyone clear in this question? See, for me, the main objective was to make you understand why we are taking x is equal to a sine cube theta and y is equal to a cos cube theta. So that is the reason I thought of explaining you this. Is it clear for everyone? So please copy down this thing, and once done, let me know. So whatever doubts are there, apart from this, end of session, you can discuss with me. Okay, Emmanuel. So if you want me to go to the next page, let me know. So if anyone want me to go to the previous page also, let me know. Okay. Yeah. I think completed a previous page. Okay. Yeah. You can take a screenshot too. Yeah. You can take a screenshot of this thing. Later on, you can complete it now. Taken. Vushang has taken. Bharat, what about you? Have you taken the screenshot? Yeah. Perfect. And this question is not going to come for your exam. Okay, I will tell you that also. Then why did I teach you this thing? To make sure that how to think in this. So those are just come now. I just want a moment to explain this problem. Okay. So that you will be in that same page. This is the most important problem for me in this chapter. It may not be asked in the examination. The question is find dy by dx if x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3. Correct? As a teacher, if I want what I can tell you just substitute x is equal to a sin cube theta, y is equal to a cos cube theta. This is how I have been taught. Okay, I have been just taught like this. Substitute this, that's all. Then you differentiate. Then it's very easy, right? Dx by d theta, dy by d theta. Very easy. Don't need to think anything. But what I am teaching you here is how to think. Correct? This LHS is equal to RHS. X power 2 by 3 and y power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3. Just I want to just share this thing, especially for the guys who have come late now. Okay. Other than that, there is no use in doing this thing. Y power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3. So instead of telling you put x is equal to a sin cube theta, first of all, I should get what? A power 2 by 3 I should get. Correct? So for that, if I put x is equal to a power 2 by 3 sin square theta, correct, plus a power 2 by 3 cos square theta. If I'm getting a form like this, then I can take a power 2 by 3 into sin square theta plus cos square theta. So what is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? That is 1. Correct? I have to get into this form. So what will I substitute? I need a power 2 by 3. I need sin square theta. Suppose if I am putting x is equal to a sin theta whole power 2 by 3. If I am substituting x is equal to a sin theta whole power 2 by 3, then what will I get? A power 2 by 3 sin power 2 by 3 theta. Correct? Then if I am putting here a power 2 by 3 and sin power 2 by 3 and cos power 2 by 3, will it work? I don't have any formula for that. I need strictly what? Sin square theta and cos square theta I need here to work. So this is not gonna work. But if I put here cube sin power sin cube theta, x is equal to a sin cube theta, what I will get? I will get a power 2 by 3. Okay, I'll write it down with pencil. Sin 3 into 2 by 3 theta. So that I can cancel what? 3 and 3 and I'll get a power 2 by 3 sin square theta. That is the reason I'm taking x is equal to what is the form? That is the reason I'm putting x is equal to a sin cube theta and y is equal to a cos cube theta. So that now I can easily do it. So I got this LHS is equal to RHS. I got this thing. A power 2 by 3 sin square theta plus a power 2 by 3 cos square theta. I can take a power 2 by 3 outside. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. I got LHS is equal to RHS. Now I can directly put a sin cube theta and a cos cube theta. Now sin cube theta differentiation is what? 3. This is the same differentiation formula I'm using. Nx power n minus 1. Correct. So 3x power 3 minus 1. That is 3x square. The same formula only I'm using. Instead of x, what is here? Sine theta is there. That's all. Sine theta is there. That's all. So a into 3 sine square theta, and sine theta differentiation is cos theta. Similarly here, a into 3 cos square theta minus sine theta. So I got the answer as minus cot theta. I got dy by dx. Suppose if you are taking x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta, what will happen? It will be ulta here. It will be changed. Instead of minus cot theta, my answer will be minus tan theta. So those who have come late, were you able to follow up with me these things? Please let me know by saying yes or no. Yeah. Late, especially late. Yeah. Perfect. Because I'm using a mic, okay, so I can't hear anyone. Okay, I don't have a headset. This session is recorded, so no need for you to worry. Okay, so please use the chat option. This is very much important for you to understand, because once you're in engineering, only this is there in the first year. Integration, differentiation, that's it. Fine, that's the reason I am. If you are able to follow up me in this, you will have an advantage. Okay, fine. Yeah. And any doubt is there after class also, please message me. Now coming to second order derivative. Second order derivative. One of the 1 mark and 2 mark question, I just write it out. Okay. Fine. Okay. Before that, we will do some problems that will be fine. Then we will go to this. Before that, I just want to ask everyone, what is differentiation of tan x? Can anyone tell me now? D by dx of tan x. Is it sec square x? Is it sec square x? You can just tell me yes or no, because if typing is difficult, you can just tell me yes or no. Is it sec square x or not? Yeah. So this is a very important formula for us to remember, because the question which I'm going to do, it is there. Double differentiation. Very easy, guys. Okay, I'll tell you how to do it. For example, they are telling find d square y by dx square of y is equal to x square. So normally what we do for this question solution, dy by dx. X square differentiation is 2x, right? Now one more time I want to differentiate. D square y by dx square. So what is 2? A constant. What is differentiation of x? 1. So answer is what? 2. So we have to double differentiate the same thing. Is it clear for everyone? That is the reason I took a very simple question. Always make questions from the most basic level. Okay. Always make question from the most basic level. Is it clear for everyone? This you need not copy it down. Okay, this is a sample question, that's all. I would like to. Yeah. We will do a real question. Find d square y by dx square if y is equal to x square, if y is equal to x cube plus tan x, x cube plus tan x. How do we get it? Solution. Write down this thing. dy by dx. X cube is what? 3x square. Tan x differentiation is what? sec square x. I am not doing any d by dx term. I'm directly writing down differentiation. This is the way which I want each and every one of you to follow. Double differentiation. 3 is a constant. X square differentiation is what? 2x. Sec square x differentiation is what? Nx power n minus 1. So 2 sec power 2 minus 2 sec x. And what is sec x differentiation? Sec x tan x. Those who don't know, I'm just writing out this thing here for you. Differentiation of sec x is nothing but what? Sec x tan x. Even if you don't know this thing, while we are doing, you automatically get it. So this is nothing. What is the answer? 6x plus 2 sec square x tan x. Is it clear? Or any doubt? If you have got doubts, you can ask me now itself. Even if a single boy or girl has a doubt, let me know now. Perfect. So guys, be interactive with me in this session, okay? Because as you can see, there's a lot of effort again I'm putting. I'm writing down each and everything only for you guys, okay? So suppose if you are getting mail or if you're not getting mail, immediately contact me. Fine, do not delay. So once you copy it down, let me know, okay? Okay. 2 done, I got. Yeah. Very fast. Okay. Everyone is extremely fast. Very good. Perfect. Oh, very good. Then I think I can go to the next question. If y is equal to 3 e power 2x plus 2 e power 3x, prove that pt d square y by dx square minus 5 dy by dx plus 6y is equal to 0. So first thing is we have to find what dy by dx. Correct? 3 is a constant. And what is e power 2x differentiation? E power 2x. And what is the 2x differentiation? 2. So multiply by 2. That's all. Correct? I hope everyone is done with this. Plus 2 is a constant. E power 3x differentiation is what? E power 3x. And what is 3x differentiation? 3. So multiply by 3. Is this step clear to everyone? So guys, again I'm writing down here. If you're not clear, okay? D by dx of e power 2x is equal to e power 2x. And what is 2x differentiation? 2. So that's the reason I'm multiplying by 2. That's all. So it is 3 here. That's the reason I'm multiplying by 3. So what is the answer of this? 6 e power 2x plus 6 e power 3x. Now again I want to differentiate this. So what I'll do, d square y by dx square. So 6 e power 2x, e power 2x, e power 2x into 2 plus 6 e power 3x. 3x differentiation is what? Into 3. Here it is 2x differentiation 2. 3x 3. Correct? So I'm getting it as what? 12 e power 2x plus 12 e power 3x. Now coming to the question here. I'm just going to substitute this value. D square y by dx square. What is the value? 12 e power 2x plus 12 e power 3x. Am I correct? Oh, so 6 into 3 is 18, not 12, guys. So if I'm making some mistake, please rectify me the same. This is 18. If I'm making any mistake, please rectify me the same so that I can help you out. Okay, yeah. Minus 5 dy by dx, which means what? 5 into dy by dx. 5 6 are 30. 30 e power 2x minus 30 e power 3x plus 6y. So it means plus 6 into 3, 18. 18 e power 2x plus 12 e power 3x. So if I'm adding everything, I'll get it as what? 0, which is equal to RHS. So these kind of questions may come in your board exam. Prove that questions. Yeah, I think you have completed this thing. Yeah, I will explain this question one more time. So guys, I'll tell you. Differentiation dy by dx, correct? Yes or no? Dy by dx. So differentiating with respect to x is what? 3 is a constant. Keep it like that. E power 2x differentiation is what? What is e power x differentiation? E power x itself. Correct? So e power 2x differentiation is what? E power 2x. And what is my 2x differentiation? Multiply by 2. 2x differentiation is 2. That's all. How many of you did not understand this step? Is it clear? Similarly, 2 I am keeping here constant. E power 3x differentiation is what? E power 3x itself. And what is 3x differentiation? 3. That's the reason I'm multiplying by 3. So this is the way to do this. Then I'm multiplying 2 and 3 here, 3 and 2 here. Then one more time I'm taking differentiate. Why? Because in the question it is d square y by dx square, double differentiation. Correct? So 6 e power 2x and e power 2x is what? Multiply by 2. E power 3x is multiplied by 3. So 6 e power 3x into 3. So 6 2s are 12, 12 e power 2x. 6 3s are 18, 18 e power 3x. I'm just substituting in the prove that equation. That's all. Now I have to do simple addition and multiplication. I'll definitely get the answer as 0. That is for sure. Is it clear for everyone? Perfect. Very good. And if everyone has completed, then we can go to the next one. So, Bharat, since you're having a doubt, okay, I'll just remove my microphone now. Okay, I think, can you yeah, you can unmute Bharat and ask me what is your doubt. Which part you didn't understand?
Sir?
Yeah, which part, Bharat? Which part you didn't understand?
E to power n.
This one.
No, sir, from this the right side. 12 e to the power 12. From there, sir.
I don't know. From this part.
Right
The
side,
first.
sir.
Huh?
Right side.
This one.
Aye, sir. Yes,
This
sir.
is nothing but, I'll tell you, what is d square y by dx square? This one, right?
Yes, sir.
This one I just substitute like that. Okay.
Okay.
And 5 times I'm multiplying dy by dx. So 5 into 6 is what?
30, sir.
Minus symbol is there, I put minus 30. Okay. Then again 5 into 6 is what? Minus
30,
30.
Yes, sir.
That's all. Then
Okay.
6 into this question. What is my y? 6 into this question. What 6 into 3 is 18. Correct?
Yes, sir.
18
Yes, sir.
e power 2x. And
Okay.
what is this? 6 into 2 is what? 12.
Well,
That's it. And
okay.
what is my 18 plus 12? 30.
18. Okay. Yes, sir.
30 minus 30 is this get cancelled. I'll just cancel
Okay.
this. Wait. Then I think it'll be easy for you. 12 plus 18 is what? 30. This is getting cancelled.
Okay.
Similarly, I will cancel the other terms. Is it clear?
Okay.
I hope it should be. Now I'm just connecting my mic back. So now I cannot hear. Yeah. So guys, so please understand that without having water I'm teaching, I need the same 100% good result from each and every one of you. Okay. That's the reason I'm using color pencil also to just attract and make sure that you guys understand each and everything. Fine. Yeah. Okay. If everyone is ready, then I will give you a small question to do. Very easy question to do. Okay. Just send me the pic in WhatsApp. Even if you're wrong, it's not a problem here. If y is equal to a sin x plus b cos x, prove that d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. This is the question. So I want every one of you to do this and then send me whatever answer is there into my WhatsApp. That's all. It'll hardly take 4 or 5 minutes, 2 minutes. That's it. It's a very easy question. Simple differentiation. Differentiate 2 times, substitute, you get the proof. Just send it to me in WhatsApp. 1 minute or less than that. Actual time. Try to do it fast. Okay. So I think I got one of the answers. Let me check now. So guys, let's see. Okay, try to be fast. That's the thing. If it is wrong, I don't care. Or else I should only do this thing. dy by dx a into cos x plus b into minus sin x d square by dx square minus a sin x minus b cos x. Correct? Now if I'm substituting plus y here, so that is I'm just writing down this plus y plus a sin x plus b cos x. So obviously I can cancel everything. 0. Hardly 10 seconds, that's all. So guys, I'll tell you some of the mistakes. Okay. If you are doing d by dx, correct? What is actually I'm doing? I'm doing d by dx of this term, right? So normally in school also they will teach you what? Do d by dx of a sin x, do d by dx of cos x. Guys, that is not the way to do it. Okay, fine. We all have got good brain and we can do much faster. So a cos x directly you do in mind. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation cos x is what? Minus sin x. That's it. One more thing. Differentiation cos x is what? Minus sin x. So that's the reason I just put minus sign here. Clear? Fine. So try to do it in your mind. Do not do d by dx. Because if you do these things in small problems, it's fine. When you come to the big problem, this will have a huge impact. Okay. So we have to prove it is equal to 0, guys. Yeah. I think I'm getting some chats. Okay, what I wrote. Okay. No. If your answer is correct, they will not cut the mark, Rishank. Fine. See, since you are in the beginning stage of this, you are feeling this. After some time, you won't even write a d by dx. You got the point. Fine. If the answer is correct, if you're proving it correct, no one can cut your mark. Yeah. In CBSE, at least they will give some marks. But if you're in PU board, if you make a small mistake, gone. In CBSE, at least step mark they will give, but in PUC, only if your final answer is correct, then only you will get the mark. Is there anyone having doubt in this? I multiplied with sin x. So this I'll tell you the thing. Difference A is a constant, sin x differentiation is what? Cos x. B is a constant, cos x differentiation is what? Minus sin x. Correct? Again, I'm differentiating this. What is cos x differentiation? Minus sin x. This minus sign I put before. And what is sin x differentiation? Cos x. This minus sign I put it here. Correct? Then I just brought down this value here. This is my d square y by dx square. Again, I'm lazy enough to write. That's the reason I just put y value. What is y value? The question itself. A sin x and b cos x. I wrote it here. Here it is minus a sin x. Here it is plus a sin x. Cancelled. Minus b cos x. Here it is plus b cos x. Cancelled. That's all. Yeah. Dummy question. As far as I'm concerned, it's a dummy question. So what about from Emmanuel? Emmanuel, I didn't get. Yeah, Roshan, I got it. Yeah. Yeah, Roshan, even I replied to you. Good try. So everyone had tried this thing. Okay, fine. Good. And what was the doubt of Emmanuel? Let me just check in my mail. Okay, there was a doubt from Emmanuel, right? Emmanuel, give me a second. Yes, send me a doubt in mail. Let me check. Okay, exercise 5.3. Okay, you don't know that how to do the question. Fourth question. Okay, let me take exercise 5.3. So please tell me that is this the question? Okay, fine. One second. Xy plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. And your doubt was you don't know how to do this xy. Am I correct? Is this the same question you got doubt? Perfect. So this is using the UV rule. Okay, UV rule. U dash V plus UV dash. U dash. What is differentiation of x? Differentiation of x is what? 1 itself. We keep it like that. What is my V here? Y plus UV dash. U is what? X. V dash is what? Differentiation of y with respect to x. That is d by dx of y. Now is your doubt clear? And what is the next step? Y square plus 2y into dy by dx. And what is tan x differentiation? 6 square x plus dy by dx. Is it clear now? Yeah, perfect. Very easy. And anyone having any doubt, let me know the same. Differentiation, UV rule, very easy. For example, I'll do one thing. You can ask me, y is equal to tan x, correct? What is dy by dx of tan x? Sec square x. Sec square x. And one more thing, we are differentiating even this x. What is differentiation of x? 1. That's why we are getting 6 square x. Suppose the question is y is equal to tan root x. Tan root x. What is the dy by dx of this? So sec square root x is correct. But what about root x differentiation? 1 by 2 root x. Those who don't know what is root x differentiation, I'll write it here. D by dx of root x. So d by dx of what? X power 1 by 2. So nx power n minus 1. So 1 by 2 power x power 1 by 2 minus 1. So 1 by 2 is nothing but 50 paise. 50 paise minus 1 rupee. That is minus 50 paise with us. So 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2. This is nothing but what? 1 by 2 root x. So root x differentiation you have to by heart and keep what is it? 1 by 2 root x. Is everyone clear with this? Please copy down. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Please copy down whatever is there. Anyone having any doubt in this chapter? In the sense differentiability part, anyone having any doubt? Any doubt in any point? In any exercise question or anything? I got only one assignment, okay, of the exercises. Only one of student has sent me. What about others? Yeah. So please do it, guys. And differentiation, you have to do it daily. Integration and differentiation, especially differentiation part. Or else we will forget. If you ask me how I am remembering this, I am teaching daily. Daily, some way or the other, I am taking integration differentiation to different classes. Let it be for engineering or for any other thing. That's how I am remembering. Any doubts in today's session in any problem? So if you don't have any doubt, you can leave the session. Those who have doubts can stay back. Yeah, those who have doubts can stay back. Okay, yeah. Bye-bye. And those who want to complete some problem, they can also stay back. To Bharat and Vrishank, any doubt? You can unmute and ask me if you got anything. Vrishank, any doubt is there? Bharat, any doubt? You can unmute yourself. Yeah, you can unmute yourself. Yeah, no problem. So if you don't have doubts, no problem. Okay, yeah. Fine, Vrishank. Bye-bye. Bharat and Vrishank, tata. Take care. Bye, Vrishank.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Welcome. Huh? Take care.